Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I am your host, Tony, and tonight we're going to talk about 4 trades I took on gold and how I have been trading gold lately. Alright, so lately I have been scalping gold on the 5-minute chart with the strategy I learned from Forex with Cody. Remember that guy I introduced you guys to? You gotta check him out. He's legit. He's the real deal. But let me talk to you guys about these trades and show you how I took them and why I took them and things like that, right? All right, so as you can see in here, we're on gold 5-minute chart, okay? And lately I've been trading Asian session, scalping gold, and sometimes London. Right now, mainly Asian. Anyways, so as you can see in my charts, I got pivot points on here, marking the highs and lows of structure points, right? So what I did was I tried to trap price in a range, and I got the EMAs to add some extra confluence in my trades, right? But to back up my ideas. Again, I got my high zone, I got my low zone, and I wait for price to get broken, right? And for Asian session, I like to trade between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., right? Give me a little 2-hour window. And so again, this trade was taken around 8:30 p.m. So you see the EMAs that crossed over down here, trading under the structure, right? And rejection wick trading with the EMAs, and we got a little type 3 candle pattern signal in there, and with that red signal right, indicating sells. Again, that's Forex with Cody's signal indicator. You guys can get that too as well. You gotta check them out, I'm telling you. I placed the trade 5 pips below the structure, and price activated my trade, and we just went with it for a 1-to-1, right? And that was 18 pips, and this was on Tuesday, January 30th. Okay, so that's that one. And now we're going into Wednesday, right? So again, same idea. Got my pivot points on here, got Forex with Cody's signal indicator on here, and on Wednesday's trade it was a buy, right? So I got my low point in here, right? I could have also drawn it in here, but this was a daily low level, so I do have that marked up. And then you can see it's low, right? And then you see higher low, and then a lower high, higher high, right? So we're thinking buys, right? It's in a little uptrend structure, right? Anyways, so EMAs crossed over at the end of Tuesday, right over here, and then you can see it in the Asian sessions, just still following the trend, right? So again, price broke the top zone, and again we have Forex with Cody's signal in here. Placed a trade buy stop 5 pips above, and again went for just the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and I always put my stop loss below the previous candle, which is this doji looking candle right here, and that was about 15 pips for a 1-to-1. And then you can see the very next candle right after that signal, it just went straight up to TP, right? So in and out on the same 5-minute candle. Okay, so that was on Wednesday. Okay, and now today's trade. Today is Thursday, February 1st, and I took 2 trades today, 1 losing trade and 1 winning trade. Okay, same idea, guys. The first trade, as you can see, this one right here, this small one in here, on Wednesday, and this trade was done during New York session. I took off of work today, so I was able to trade New York. So I said, why not, right? So I did it. Anyways, this one was a loss because I was not patient enough, and I was just too early. I wasn't patient. So as you can see, price did not break my little structure, right? My high zone, it did not break it. It closed within the range, and then the very next candle, even though it had the signal indicator, it did not close above, right? So my buy stop had gotten activated, so I just let it rock, right? Still doing a 1-to-1. This was for 20 pips. The EMA did not cross either, so that should have kept me away from the trade. Again, I broke my rules here. I did not wait for it to break structure. The EMAs were not in my favor, so that was all my mistake, right? So I got to make a note of that and make sure not to do that again. Okay, but yeah, so that's why I lost this trade, and I know that, and I see it. And then let me talk to you guys about how I just found a second chance, right? Second chance trade, right? The first trade was a loss, and then I had another trade up here, second chance. So for today, there was news around 8:30. I believe it was unemployment claims, and when news came out, it rocketed up, right? As you can see on the 5-minute, the EMAs finally crossed in here, broke my level, and EMAs are crossing, and then you get the type 3 pattern indicator up in here, right? This one I did not do a buy stop. I just manually entered and risked 40 pips for 40. So 1-to-1 again, still always 1-to-1. And yeah, as you can see, followed the EMAs nicely, just went up, following the trend, up all day for a total of, let's see, how far did it go up today from my structure point down here? Ooh, about 300 pips, almost 300 pips for today from my little structure point that it broke. But from the point that I entered on the trade, let's see, it went up good 200 pips. Yeah, that's a good trade, right? So again, that's how I've been trading gold lately. Just scalping it on the 5-minute charts, using my EMAs to add extra confluence to the trade idea, and Forex with Cody signals indicator. If you guys want to learn how to use that, definitely check the link below in the comment section in my description area. You'll see a link in there. Click on it. It'll take you to his little store, and you can see what he offers. He has courses, he has a signal indicator, and make sure to use code Tony10 for 10% off, and let him know I sent you his way. All right, but that's it. This is just a quick overview to show you guys how I have been trading gold lately. And yeah, I want to show you guys what I know and hopefully help you in your trading as well. Okay, so please leave a like, subscribe, comment, you know the deal. All right, thank you.